So yeah, AI. And I do want to share one other thing. This is totally off the health subject, but I'm going to share this with you. Um, I think this is very, very important to know, guys. As we keep up, our last meeting, we talked about technology, didn't we? This is a new development, and this was just released. I just clicked on new chat. We're waiting for my computer to catch up. But this is a brand new development just released by ChatGPT this past week, and that is when I open up a new chat and I click on tools, it has what's called Agent Mode. Agent Mode is absolutely amazing. It is over the top amazing. Like if I wanted to, we're going to Disneyland next month. My wife and I are a weirdo Disney adults, and we enjoy Disney. We go for a few days each, every couple of years. This happens to be next month. So we just put in here, we ran it under Agent Mode, and it does all the deep research for us. We said, look, we want restaurant accommodations that oversee a fireworks show. We want to meet some characters for lunch, and it gives us all those options by doing that legwork for us. Pretty cool stuff. Nothing to do with health, but I do want you all to continually stay up to date on AI. Don't get left in the weeds. You don't have to be an expert, but you do need to keep up with the Joneses, just so you know what's coming down the pike, guys. Yeah,